Making your life better in the 21st century is a complex and personal goal, but there are some general skills and strategies that can help you achieve it. Here are some of the most important 21st century skills that you can develop and apply to your life. 1. Critical thinking. This is the ability to analyze information, evaluate evidence, and draw logical conclusions. Critical thinking helps you make better decisions, solve problems, and avoid biases. You can improve your critical thinking by asking questions, seeking multiple perspectives, and challenging assumptions. 2. Creativity. This is the ability to generate new and original ideas, products, or solutions. Creativity helps you innovate, adapt, and express yourself. You can boost your creativity by trying new things, brainstorming, and collaborating with others. 3. Communication. This is the ability to convey information and ideas effectively and respectfully. Communication helps you build relationships, share knowledge, and persuade others. You can enhance your communication by listening actively, choosing the right words and tone, and using appropriate body language. 4. Collaboration. This is the ability to work with others towards a common goal. Collaboration helps you learn from others, achieve more, and foster trust. You can foster collaboration by respecting diversity, sharing responsibilities, and giving and receiving feedback. 5. Global citizenship. This is the awareness of and respect for the world and its people. Global citizenship helps you understand different cultures, perspectives, and issues. It also helps you contribute to positive change and social justice. You can practice global citizenship by learning about the world, engaging with global issues, and taking action. These are just some of the skills that can help you make your life better in the 21st century. If you want to learn more about how to make your life better, subscribe to my channel. I always post what will make your life better. I hope this helps you stay curious and motivated to improve yourself and the world around you.